Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, we're going to be taking our newest build and taking it to Slinger Slam Fest. Let's get into it.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will.
Alright, so now that you've seen the outside of the bus, the very first thing that we have to do is take all of the glass out of the bus. So this is going to be a little bit of a process. Let's hit you up on Timelapse and jump into it.
So I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill.
Literally.
Pill, you're like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you.
Alright guys, a little bit of an update. We have all of this side glass out on both sides. We even just got the driver's side window out. We're gonna leave the front windshield in, and then also there's some glass in the very back of the bus here that we might end up leaving in. I might try to take it out really quick. This stuff right here. So
You down just like a pill.
alright guys, so there you have it. We have all the windows out of the bus now. So the next thing that we're probably going to do is build like a roll cage kind of thing, and also put a 5-point harness in just for safety, because pretty much every year somebody ends up rolling a bus in the figure 8 race, either being T-boned or just running up on the embankment. So that will be the next step. So we will see you then.
Rolling a bus.
Cut 4 parts out of here. All you gotta do is say run project.
walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
All right, so as you guys saw, Andy made a program to cut out all of the tubing for our roll cage, and then we ran out to the shop and bent up our main hoop, as you can see behind me, then also the two side pieces for the cage. And then today at the shop, he also ended up welding all of the cage together. So it was our job to throw it in the bus. So now it's time to drill our holes in the floorboards so that the cage is nice and secure to the bus, so that if we do flip, the cage isn't going anywhere and we won't go anywhere. So let's go ahead and get our holes drilled. Alrighty guys, welcome to race day. As you can see, we got the number thrown on the bus and we have the entire cage bolted in. The last thing that we're waiting for is a 5-point harness to go right there, and then we should be all safe and good to go. Alright, we got our 5-point harness in from Race Whip, so we are going to go ahead and get the bottom and also the top shoulder straps all put together. So let's go ahead, set you up on time lapse, and get this all bolted in.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.